What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, back at it with another video today, man. So my last upload was at Auto Gator at the auction, feel me? And we was looking at cars I could purchase. And I know I showed you guys a whole lot of cars: G35 Infinity, Lexus IS250, Honda Accord.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
But which car do you think I'm gonna go get today? Because today is the purchase day. Today is the day where I go get a car. So comment down below.
Continue on to I-80 East.
Right now I'm on the highway, so that's why you hear Siri. But I'm excited. I'm real happy. Been waiting on this day for about 2 weeks now, to be honest with you. So I'm approaching Auto Gator right now. I'm about probably 3 or 4 minutes away. Excited. I'm excited as hell. I'm happy. And shit, man. That's Eco Tech right there. But yeah, I'm approaching Auto Gator. I had to tune back in with y'all, let y'all know what's going on. Shit, this shit is in the cut too. Long ass road to get there. But yeah, I'm approaching Auto Gator. I get there, I'm gonna just straight pay for the car, go to the back, show y'all which one I'm gonna get. And shit, after that, I gotta call a tow truck because I can't drive the car home. So I'm gonna get a tow home and then call my mechanic, have him throw the transmission in for me, and let's get this car running, man. Get it smog, get it registered, and just do little things to it to make it look nice and flip it eventually and get everything going that I want to do, man. So here we are, Auto Gator. Let's see what else they got in stock too. I know they got some more stuff. So let's see what they got. Yeah, so we at Auto Gator right now, about to go start this Honda Accord up and see how it sounds. See how I like it. This is the G35 right here. This is the 6-speed too I was talking about. This the other one that's automatic. Got a Hummer, another Honda Accord, Prius. Yeah, I'm excited though. Somebody came and grabbed that Lexus I was talking about too. I don't see it here no more. Yeah, I see RV. I wonder what's good with this. One's in drive. Cat is missing. Check engine light is on. Okay. Shit, we could get that. How much miles it got on it? 120. I wonder what type of engine it got. See if this shit got a B20 in it. Shit gotta have a B20 in it. 97. Definitely got that B20 up in there. B20 B4. I don't know if you can see that. Well, okay. Let's see how much they want for this. Shit. That's clean. I like that. I like to get this too right here for my girl, this act. At 140-100. If it's still here after this next flip, I'll be back. But yeah, man, this where I'm gonna be coming and get a lot of cars. Might have to come get this too right here. Runs and drive. I don't say no problems. 3,900 for it with the wood trim interior. I like that. Yeah, I like this place a lot too. They got good customer service, real respectful. Shoot, most places they be having a lot of people that's assholes and shit. So I respect their customer service, their employees here. 3,500 for this Nissan. I don't know what Pathfinder. Okay, starts. Not drivable. Engine misfire. Makes tapping noise. And this shit was keyed. Somebody made their girl mad. But shoot, this should be a good flip too. 135. Shit, I fuck around, took them down to like 3 bands. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
You want to see one car?
Yep, the Honda.
Is that Honda?
Yep.
It's that one, right?
The coupe.
How about you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Too slow, man.
I hear that.
Too slow. All the time, every weekend, the Sunday and Tuesday.
Definitely. Slow days.
Too slow.
What's up with this Cadillac right here?
It's nice.
Yeah,
Working
it is.
good.
Yeah, I'm gonna be coming here a lot.
We had this car on front like the last week.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
surprised.
working good.
I seen a Lexus up there. Somebody came and got it though. I'm like, man. I've been looking at this car right here though, and I'm like, I'm gonna get this right here. It's Honda Accord.
That's perfect.
All I need is new transmission. You can't go wrong with that.
But this is a nice car, man.
Definitely is a nice car. They got a lot of cars here. This is it.
All right.
Honda Accord with the J30 in it.
Yes.
Real clean. Clean interior. Excited.
There we go, I think. There we
Mhm.
go. All right.
Yes, sir.
You live close to here?
Huh?
You living close to here?
Yep. I live about like 14 minutes away.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, so
Yeah, we had a lot of customers come from Los Angeles,
damn, for real?
Modesto,
Okay. That's the this is where like all the parts and stuff
USA.
at in that lot over there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm coming back to get this. I've been coming here. This like my third or fourth time here.
Oh, really?
I'm like, man, I'm coming back to come get this car right here. Got the keys right here for the Honda Accord. Start it up, see how it sounds. Okay, steering wheel lock. Here we go. Okay. That should sound good too. No check engine light or nothing. Windows work. Got this light on back here that kill the battery. Turn that off. See if the sunroof work. Sunroof work. Like that. It's real clean. Sound good. Started right up. All I need is a new transmission. Sound real good.
Yeah, I know idea if you can find the transmission.
I got it already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
That is good, man.
yeah, I'm gonna get this and we're gonna pull this out. I'm gonna have to buy this right here. I wanna hear how it sound. Full tank too. Thank you, whoever had this car. Yeah. Let's get it. I like that. Yeah.
It's nice car.
Nice car. Nice car. V6.
Yeah, this is
I had the 2.3 liter of this right here. My brother did. 5-speed.
American.
Sound real good too.
Yeah.
Sound real good.
Nothing oil, Very clean.
You can tell. I can hear it. I could tell this car was well taken care of. I could tell it. Yeah. It looked like it probably had like 1 or 2 owners.
Yes.
Real.
3.0.
This thing fast. This is a J30.
Yeah.
This engine, this is a J30 right here. If I really want to, right, I can make this stick shift and just throw like a Acura TL 6-speed transmission in here, and it'll bolt right up and get some real power.
Hey, we had that one car. Like, yeah, that white one. That one has broken
fender. Yeah, the fender.
Door,
Okay.
and maybe one tire, whatever,
Okay.
Yeah, this guy, don't worry. This nice car, man. over 240 or 20. So I don't remember something like that.
But nice.
You know, nice car, yeah.
The miles don't mean nothing, man. Shoot, as long as you get that,
low miles,
you get it maintained and stuff. That's all that matters.
Yeah,
that's all that matters.
The benefits, right? You got it already. Right now, the transmission.
Yep.
Finally.
This is a steal right here. All it needs is the transmission. Clean too. I'm gonna take it home, give it a nice bath, get it nice and clean. I'm gonna get. For real.
That's a great car, man.
What's your name?
Ernesto, buddy.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you too.
Definitely. I appreciate that.
Nice to meet you.
Heck yeah, we could pull this thing up there, man. I'm gonna buy this right here. I'm gonna buy this. He said I could move it back and forth to see if just move it back and forth to see how it is.
If you want, yeah.
All right.
Go ahead.
See how it is. See how bad it slid. Oh yeah, I hear it. Yeah, I hear it. Yeah. Okay. It moved though. Oh, I stay doing that like I drive mistake. All right. You can bring it to the front. All right. Yeah. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Yeah, we gonna make this thing look real good. V6. Sound good too. No check engine light. All you need is a transmission. But throw some coilovers on it too. Yes. Alright, yeah, we're gonna bring this thing to the front. I'm about to get the bill of sale. I'm excited though. So somebody came and grabbed that Lexus IS 250.
Oh, I don't know. I have to look it up. Was it that 6-speed?
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn. How much I was selling it for?
I don't know. I forget. I go through so many.
I already know.
I'm old.
Yeah, the nice IS 250 here. I wanted that 6-speed. Alright guys, so I purchased the car, man. Comment below what you think I got it for, because you know your boy had a bargain, but comment below, man. Let me know what y'all think I got the car for. But I purchased the car, I have the paperwork for it, man. And all I gotta do next is just register it. That ain't really nothing. And do the transmission, but I'm waiting for them to pull the car up front right here out this gate, and I'm driving up the street to this store, and get it towed. So wish me luck, and I'll be back. Hey, I just had a memory real quick from back in the 90s when my mom had this right here, 4Runner. Man, we used to go on a lot of trips in this truck. It was a real good car. Here we go. Here we go. Look how clean that thing is. My boy Ernesto. Yes. So I'm gonna draw this thing right over there. And right there. And get this shit towed home. Thank you, thank you.
I leave it on, all right?
All right, thank you. I'm about to go pull it off right now. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Our new car, you know your boy gonna put some new tints on it, man. Come with some parts too?
Can you give me a couple minutes?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I need did you sign me one?
Oh
paper?
yeah, I got that paper too for you.
Already?
Yeah.
Center caps.
Okay, my Honda Center cap.
This one,
For the trunk.
you know, the jack
Spear
and
jack.
this was.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you,
This one,
Ernesto.
whatever.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Now I gotta hook up my Bluetooth up in here. See how the speakers sound. But yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm about to go pull this thing across the street, and yeah. There's some bad in this shit, but that's okay. We're gonna get that fixed. I'm really excited. It's okay. We got a new training for it. Man, it drive real good to it. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at this over. It has good suspension too. Shit. For the other shit, man, I really can't complain, y'all. This was a good buy. I definitely came up. It's real clean too. Got little things and dents, but shit, that ain't nothing. I drove all the way down here from Auto Gator in second gear, and it pulls. I like how it hit bumps and all that, so I can't wait to bring this home, show my girl, and get to working on it. I'll also try to register it today too, so we'll see how that goes.